What's up guys? So today, before we get into today's video, some of the content may be graphic to some of the viewers, but I'm be going out doing some grouse hunting today in the back trails. So before I get started, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna head on out into the back of the trails. You could see the grouse on the right side of me. I'm just standing, observing it before I make any move because it's already noticed me. After missing that first shot, I realized what I did wrong. I'm gonna trot this one. I have a rough idea where it flew off to, so I'm just gonna go track it. I just have one shell left, but gonna have to make it count. So I'm just moving, pacing myself a bit, and as I walk around, I stop and kind of look around to see. But if you're enjoying the content so far, remember to drop a like, share, and subscribe. I did manage finding it, but this entire time I was looking for it, it was sitting watching me this whole entire time. But keep watching. I see it off in the distance. I'm just trying to keep my eyes on it as I move. I was tracking that one for a while. Oh shoot, that was a headshot. This one might be a bit too graphic. That was a headshot right there. The meat is 100% still intact. Anytime I see them, I'm determined, if they fly off, to just go trek through the bush and go find them. That's my first one of the morning. Whew. Bit of a walk back there. I only had one round in my shotgun, so thankfully I didn't miss. I think I'm gonna head on out, call it a day. But once again, thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, subscribe, but stick around till the end. I have an upcoming video, so stay tuned if you want to see that following preview. My first one.